You are going to love the 2019 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.